Have you ever felt a sense of unease, knowing that your personal information might be out there, vulnerable to malicious intent? It's a frightening reality that many of us face. One such incident that sent shockwaves through the nation was the Equifax data breach. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through the process of checking if your data was compromised. The Equifax data breach was a major security lapse that exposed the sensitive personal information of millions of people. This includes names, social security numbers, addresses, birth dates, and even driver's license numbers. The potential consequences of this breach were severe, ranging from identity theft to financial fraud. Importance of checking, understanding whether your data was affected by the Equifax breach is crucial. It allows you to take proactive steps to protect yourself and your loved ones. By knowing if your information was compromised, you can monitor your accounts more closely, freeze your credit, and implement other security measures. Step-by-step guide. Visit the Equifax breach website. The first step is to visit the official Equifax breach website. You can find the link by searching for Equifax data breach in your preferred search engine. Check your eligibility. Once you're on the website, you'll need to check your eligibility to see if your information was affected. This typically involves entering your last name and the last 6 digits of your social security number. Review your results. After submitting your information, you'll receive a notification indicating whether your data was compromised. If your information was affected, the website will provide you with additional details and next steps. Understand your options. If your data was compromised, Equifax offers various options to help you protect yourself. These options may include credit monitoring, identity theft protection services, and assistance with freezing your credit. Take action. Based on the information provided by Equifax, take the necessary steps to safeguard your personal information. This may involve changing passwords, monitoring your accounts regularly, and staying vigilant for any suspicious activity. Additional tips. Be cautious of scams. Be aware of scammers who may attempt to exploit the Equifax breach. Do not click on suspicious links or provide your personal information over the phone unless you are absolutely sure you are dealing with a legitimate source. Monitor your accounts. Even if your data was not compromised, it's still a good practice to monitor your accounts regularly for any unusual activity. This includes checking your credit reports, bank statements, and other financial records. Consider freezing your credit. Freezing your credit can help prevent unauthorized individuals from opening new accounts in your name. While this may temporarily limit your ability to obtain credit, it can be a valuable security measure. Checking whether your data was affected by the Equifax breach is an important step in protecting yourself from potential harm. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can determine your status and take appropriate action. Remember, your personal information is valuable, and it's essential to be proactive in safeguarding it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.